Today we are celebrating spring with natural botanical dyes. It's a super simple process that is perfect if you're just dipping your toes into the fabric dye world. First, you will need some cotton muslin bags, a cup of white distilled vinegar, and boiling water. You'll want your bags to soak for at least a few hours, overnight if possible. I'm using butterfly pea flowers for my dye, but there are many herbal options out there. While your bags are soaking in the vinegar mixture, you will infuse 1 cup of herbs and 3 to 4 cups of boiling water. After time has passed, strain out your herbs and put your herbal dye into a jar or bowl. You'll want your bags to soak for at least 1 hour or longer, depending on how dark you want the color. Carefully remove your bags and rinse with very cold tap water until no color runoff remains, and lay bags out flat to dry. For more color inspiration, check out our blog where we used hibiscus, bilberries, turmeric root, and more as herbal dyes.